Hello guys, and now she's really retarded because last match I played was really laggy, and I just couldn't cope. So this match, hope it's not laggy, and yeah, I'm gonna just get right into the video. As you can see, from my perspective, it is really laggy, and yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna go Dusty to Void today. And yeah, it's just going to be a quick 1 minute or 2 minute video just for a test of how this is like. And yeah, so guys, I just dropped. I think I'll be going. Yeah, I'm going Dusty still, but that was a really bad decision of the way I landed right then. I personally like going to these, just these things. What are they called again? The old Dusty place, because sometimes there's good loot and nobody rushes you straight away. A flipping revolver. Thank you. So it might, yes, it's quite laggy on my screen. That's why I'm probably gonna die in like 2 seconds. And anyways, I need to go soon. So right now, I'm just gonna run over to Dusty with some double pump. I mean double shotguns. Not double pump. I'm used to saying double pump, but yeah. As you can see, I am quite bad. Like, no, really bad, actually. At least I admitted it. And I'm just gonna try get a few kills, and just even if I don't die, I'm still gonna go because max is 15 minutes. Ooh, AR, thank you very much. You see that chest? Ooh, thank you for that lovely AR. I don't think anybody landed here. No, I don't think anybody landed here. Did they? Actually. Oh, not one shot. That was really bad. Oh, I nearly raged there, but it's all good. And anyway, guys, I've got to go. So, see ya.